Hello and welcome back to CodeFlow. Let's start straightforward. If your zoom is not working in Visual Studio Code Editor, then in this video we are going to fix it. Let's begin with opening Visual Studio Code. Click on Start. Search for VS Code. And open Code. I will create a new file and write some words just for testing purpose. OK, when I press Ctrl from keyboard and scroll up or down from mouse, it is not zooming in or zooming out. So, to fix this, click on Setting icon at the bottom left corner. And click on Settings. From the search bar, search for mouse wheel. Now check, Editor, mouse wheel zoom. And then close the setting. Now when you zoom in or zoom out by pressing Ctrl plus mouse wheel, it will work. Did it solve your problem? If not, then comment below. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.